So magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito pag-uusapan po natin ang dalawang interesting na rumor kabola. Ang isa po ay nilabas po ni Snowbad and it's about a new head coach soon kabola. Siguro. And then one interesting by the social media. So may hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So let's start po with the trade rumor brought by the fans kabola, diba? Nung naganap nga po yung trade po ng NLEX, Northport at San Miguel Beermen, balis po ang kabola na nagsilabasan po ng mga fans sa kanila pong kagustuhan kabola na mapunta sa kanilang favorite team na Ginebra, itong si Alin Bonanadi at saka si Ben Adamos kabola. Out of the two, mas obvious po yung need ng Ginebra kay Ben Adamos. Adamos is currently 6'7 kabola. He is good defensively although may mga issues siya sa injury kabola and very inconsistent siya. So actually I thought he will be fine in the PBA pero hindi niya nakuha talaga na makahanap po ng kanya pong home team. Even though napunta na siya dati ng coach niya si Coach Franklin, hindi rin siya nabigyan po ng consistent na playing time po sa NLEX at he was even traded. While si Bulanadi naman kabola, promising player na hindi rin po mahanap-hanap ang kanya pong home team kabola. He's also interesting guard kabola, very young pero yun din pareho lang hindi pa rin niya mahanap po yung kanyang home team at consistent po na playing time. Pero I think the potential is real pero kailangan niya talaga kabola ng ilang tournaments siguro kabola para makita niya kung ano dapat niya pong skill na i-develop pa kabola, or in short, playing time. So sino makapagbigay nun, diba? I do not think Ginebra can give that knowing nga po that they want to contend. So, hindi po siya yung dapat or tamang team para sa akin para po kay Bulanati kabola. Now, usapang comments muna tayo. Shoutout po kay Ronald Berbusidad. Sabi po ni GP Fight, di na bago yan. SMC versus MVP group na lang sana. Or Ichua versus June na lang, mag 1-on-1, sabi niya kabola. So, of course, yan nga po ang current po na main problem po sa PBA. Kabawa sa duopoly po ng MVP SMC Group. Let us hope for the best na yan po ay magbabago in the near future para din po siya kakabuti po kabola nitong ating liga. And of course, malamang nabalitaan nyo na ang Meralco Bolts won their first game kabola in AASL due to the heroic of Chris Newsome. Iba rin talaga yung pinapakita ng Chris Newsome kabola. That 3-point shot and then of course that game tying kabola na 4-point play. Those are amazing. I think that will become one of his most iconic shot kabola, and he delivered the first win kabola for the Meralco Bolts and for a Filipino ball club dito sa EASL. So this is historic kabola, and now they have a shot to be part of the playoffs because if you look at the standings, they are 1-2 and there are currently 3 teams dun sa kanilang grupo na may 2 losses. So, tinalo na nila yung defending champion ng Japan B-League. So, I'm now confident to say that they can also defeat Seoul SK at saka New Taipei kabola. And of course, isang rason dyan is wala na rin pong iba kundi maganda at consistent po na performance ni Lofton kabola. He is a real hooper kabola, and if they can continue to be consistent about it, I think Meralco Bolts will have a shocking chance of being a deep playoff team in this ASL and giving us Filipino fans something to be proud of dito po sa unang legit po na season ng EASL. And of course, the rumor na dapat talaga natin bantayan is wala na pong iba kundi yung rumor nga po brought by Snowbad that ito nga si Ryan Gregorio kabola could be returning to head coaching through NLEX kabola. Actually, pabulong pa lang po niyang sinabi yan in one of her Facebook Live kabola. Pabulong niya lang sinabi kaya I think hindi nakuha ng madaming websites kabola and Facebook pages, pero he really said that Ryan Gregorio could be returning kabola sa NLEX, and I think that is not a shocking revelation. Coach Franklin is doing fine kabola, pero kung magseseryoso na ang NLEX, maybe they want someone who is more successful historically wise sa PBA. And Ryan Gregorio of course has 3 championships sa Pure Foods franchise, and knowing his charisma, he could also attract some big names moving forward. Kabakabalan sa palagay mo, tama ba na bumalik po si Coach Ryan Gregorio sa NLEX bilang head coach? Comment lang po sa baba.